Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gold acrylic paint is probably one of the most versatile and captivating art supplies you can find, perfect for adding a touch of luxury and brilliance to any project, from fine art canvases to decorative crafts. This video will dive deep into the world of gold acrylic paints, exploring different brands, finishes, and techniques to help you choose the perfect one for your next creative endeavor. And we will also share some tips and tricks to get the most out of your gold paint. Number 5. Apple Barrel Acrylic Paint. It's the perfect size for any project. Use it for base coating, stenciling, or anything you can imagine. This brilliant paint dries to a beautiful matte finish. It's ideal for a wide range of arts and crafts. Add some vibrant color to your next DIY project. It's perfect for adding a pop of color to any creation. Use it on wood, paper, canvas, and so much more. It adheres to a variety of surfaces. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply wash it away with soap and water while it's still wet. We're proud to manufacture this paint in the USA. It's a high-quality product you can trust. It's water-based and non-toxic, making it safe for crafters of all ages. Enjoy creating. What we like. It's small and versatile, perfect for various projects. Its matte finish offers a unique look. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. If you need a small, easy-to-use gold paint for various crafts, this is the one for you. What people say. The color is rich and true to the bottle, making it perfect for a variety of applications, from painting wood to canvas and even small touch-ups. The texture is smooth and easy to work with, providing great coverage in just 1 or 2 coats. The paint sticks to the polymer clay great. It looks really good too. Number 4. Liquitex Basics Acrylic Paint. Experience the rich, creamy texture of Liquitex Basics Acrylics. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. Its satin finish and high pigment load allow for vibrant colors and excellent coverage. You'll love how easily it blends. This paint holds its shape beautifully, allowing you to retain brushstrokes and create texture. It's ideal for expressive painting. Liquitex Basics is perfect for learning color theory and mixing. The creamy consistency makes blending a breeze. It's intermixable with other Liquitex paints and mediums, and it's ASTM D4236 compliant, making it safe for everyone to use. With its buttery consistency and vibrant colors, it's the perfect tool to bring your artistic vision to life. Get yours today. What we like. This paint boasts a luxurious texture and a subtle sheen. It's also ideal for color mixing experiments. If you are an artist who likes to blend colors and want a smooth, high-quality paint, this is for you. What people say. This stuff is awesome. Tested several gold acrylic paints on a metal bracelet. This one was really bright gold and stayed on until I scraped it off. Even stayed on better than spray paint, which ended up with a dull kind of grayish tone. No fumes either. The quality and the color of this gold acrylic paint is extremely good and beautiful. It spreads and covers beautifully, and adds a glow that almost looks like liquid light. It reflects natural light in such a way that the whole painting just shimmers from many angles. It is satin-like, smooth and precise. Number 3. Pouring Masters 24K Gold Acrylic Paint. Unleash your creativity with our premium acrylic pouring paint. Its perfect viscosity makes it ideal for stunning cell creation and color movement, right out of the bottle. This paint is pre-mixed for your convenience. It's ready to use straight from the bottle, saving you time and effort. Experience exceptional cell formation and vibrant color movement. It's formulated to deliver flawless results every time. Easily adjust the viscosity with our silicone oil and pouring medium for even more creative control. Experiment and find your perfect pour. It works beautifully on various surfaces, including canvas, wood, paper, and more. Let your imagination run wild. With 84 vibrant colors available, the possibilities are endless. Find the perfect shades to bring your artistic vision to life. The honey-like consistency ensures a smooth, consistent flow, crucial for techniques like dirty pours and flip cups. It's designed for effortless blending and stunning results. It's perfect for various techniques, from dirty pours and flip cups to Dutch pours and tree ring pours. Explore your creativity and master the art of acrylic pouring. What we like? It's pre-mixed for effortless acrylic pouring, creating amazing color movement and cell structures. Its perfect consistency guarantees stunning results. If you love acrylic pouring and want vibrant, easy-to-use paint, this is your best choice. Number 2. DecoArt Extreme Sheen 24K Gold Paint. Get ready to experience the ultimate shine with our new paint. Its luxurious finish will transform your projects. This paint boasts the highest sheen of any metallic paint on the market. Prepare for a dazzling result. Made with ultra-fine pigments, it provides a consistent, even shimmer that's truly captivating. From classic metallics to vibrant jewel tones, it offers a wide array of stunning colors to choose from. It effortlessly complements your home decor, adding a touch of elegance to all your creative endeavors. This paint delivers a premium, long-lasting metallic finish that will stand the test of time. What we like? Get the most brilliant, shimmering metallic finish available. Its ultrafine pigments ensure a consistent, long-lasting shine. If you're looking for maximum shine and durability in your gold paint, this is it. What people say? The consistency, texture and thickness was good for a semi-transparent coverage but could be built up with several coats for a more opaque look. Easy to use as it pours easily from the bottle. Gives a metallic shimmery appearance to artwork. It has lots of subtle sparkle without being glittery, and can be layered on thin or thick. When painting with a small liner brush for lettering highlights, dotting it on with frequent reloads makes the most of its dazzle. The other brand on black worked badly using a small brush, but 24K was much more manageable. Using a water brush with minimal water also works for smooth lines. It really pops on darker paper with that real gold brilliance, but is also lovely on white. This product gave surprisingly good cover and superb sheen with just one coat, renovating a slate house sign, giving it a finish that was actually better than when the sign was brand new, a fantastic result. Moreover, it withstands the great British weather. Paints extremely easy and doesn't dry too fast. Great product. Number 1. Chalkola Acrylic Paint Set. This comprehensive set has everything you need to start creating. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. With 32 richly pigmented paints, you'll have a stunning array of colors at your fingertips. Explore shimmering metallic shades and create vibrant masterpieces. The paints blend smoothly, dry quickly, and offer superior coverage. They're designed for both detailed work and large areas. It works beautifully on various surfaces, from canvas to wood to ceramic. Plus, it's non-toxic and safe for all ages. The aluminum tubes are easy to open and reseal, and the brushes and palette clean up easily with water. Enjoy the creative process without the hassle. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned artist, this set provides the tools and quality you need to achieve professional results. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? This set offers a wide variety of colors and tools, perfect for any project. It's suitable for all skill levels and ages. If you need a complete, versatile set for all your creative needs, this is the one. What people say? Super sturdy with a perfect grip. 24 colors acrylic in 22 milliliters tubes, a plastic palette, 5 canvases 20 by 25, 10 small brushes. Presentation del producto muy cuidada, protected in plastic until transparent. Comes in cardboard box with full color prints, and very relevant information in English about the contents of the box and about the different colors on the back of the box. Inside, the product comes very well placed everything, especially the tubes that come in plastic sections that protect them from crushing and keeps them very organized. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.